R22V, and you already know that today is a new day. Before we get started, I want you guys to go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, hit subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. If you are subscribed, thank you guys for hanging out with me in the journey of the Accord here that we got going on, making progress, getting some videos out. First, check out the new shirt, Just Warming PSI. Check it out on r3tv.bigcartel.com if you want some little swag, little merch or something. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway. I'm trying to see how to set it up. I have lots of parts that I can, I was thinking about selling, but I can do some giveaways. I have some like Pistons that are still good to go. These are the Pistons I had in here. They're used, but they're still perfect Pistons. They're 87.5, 9.0 Pistons. I have things like some brand new ARP head studs and bolts that have not ever been used, brand new in the box. Thinking about doing a giveaway on that. I'm going to do it on some merch and some other stuff. I have some turbo parts for the CB, some other things. Thinking about doing a giveaway for. But you guys stay tuned for that one because I'm still getting that together. So, but let's get into the video. So AutoZone and got a brand new battery because I was tired of dealing with dead battery issues and trying to charge. Oh, also in that giveaway, I have some H22 fully built H22 heads that I was thinking about doing as well. But got a brand new battery. See my old batteries over there. That battery is new for the Audi, so I can move that out of the way so I can get the Accord going. And also, I'm doing my main relay is fried, of course. So I'm going to do the conversion. Basically, that plugs in to where the main relay plugs in. This is the relay now, so you don't have to worry about it corroding. And it comes with a kill switch that you can put anywhere. You know, it's a lot of time when you see the race cars, you know, you hit the button and it turns on the fuel pump or you don't have to hook this up. You can just bypass that by just putting that there, or you can put the little switch in there. I will put the switch in there just because it's easy to pull in and out. So I saw a couple people on some Facebook groups and stuff asking about the status of this or how it works. I'm gonna try it out right now, so we'll see. So I cannot start the car right now because my main relay is fried, so we're gonna see if this fixes my problem and turns on my fuel pump or not. So here's what I'm dealing with. Here's my old main relay, which is why I was having a couple of problems starting the car. It's all corroded out. I used to keep like 3 of these in my car before these conversion kits were a thing, or at least I knew about them. But usually dealing with this issue, and then in the summertime or the wintertime, car don't want to start. So my car is a little different. Yours might be tucked in if you're doing this, but you can pop it out. Maybe with one hand, just hit the little tab. Let's go. There you go. There you go. Pull that out. See, that is cooked. So really, it should be pretty simple. I'm just gonna take this. I'm doing all this with one hand. So sorry if this video is all over the place right now. There's editing. Why am I doing this one hand? Hold on. And that is done. So that's on there. This is now my relay. I'm going to plug in my switch here. I'm not even going to unravel it yet. I'm just going to put in this part right here and see what we get. All right, I just had to tighten a few grounds, a couple of things here on the Accord. So let's see if we get some startup now. Gauges are on. Starts right up, baby.
need to hear right now. I'm not gonna get ahead of myself. I'm not gonna get ahead of myself. I got some things to do, some things to check. Got to clean off, but I'm gonna try to back it out tonight if I can get the Audi out of the garage. So I'm gonna. Here's my new tire. Here's my stock tire right now for the Audi. Here's the blowout that I had. I don't know if I'm in the clip of this or not, but I had a blowout going about 80, going the speed limit on the interstate. So I need to get this tire replaced. So thankfully the Audi crunked right up, no issues. You know what? I was thinking about selling this car. I think I still am, but I really like this car, man. Air tank set up in the back. Super reliable car, besides the tires on it all the time going out. But I think I'm gonna clean this baby up and drive it here. But the focus is in the garage there. So let me get these tires changed and get the car moved, and maybe, just maybe today, I will pull the cord out of the garage. So let's see. Here we go. This is the damage to my wheel. While doing a not slow speed on the interstate. Get you a shirt. All right, got old girl back out of the garage. I got a little issue with when I hit the brake. It just dies. I don't know if you heard that on the video, but it dies when I hit the brake. So I'm thinking it's some kind of short or some kind of the brake booster. Something is going on with it. Something should be something small, because that was an issue before. But I got my space back. I can reclean my space with the car out of the garage. I don't know if this is going to be the end of the video, but I'm pretty much confirmed that this is good with the steering. I've turned it, laid on it with the car off, not moving. That's the most pressure that you can get on the rack and the steering. So yeah, it's just a little stuff. Maybe stuff that can be done by my tuner and the dyno, just to tidy up some of the stuff that I'm missing. But just wanted to put a quick video together to show that the car is out, and to show, I don't know if I showed this already, but the damage on my tire on the Audi, that is smoking as well. But this tire is what I was doing at 85 miles an hour. Crazy. So come to find out, my main relay that I bought, this one here, was my problem of why it was not starting and running. So we just ran the AutoZone real quick and bought just a OEM or AutoZone relay, and the car starts right up. So I'm going to pull it out the garage right now and drive and see what we get.
to the vibration. Running and driving fine. Aim is kicking.
I don't know if I should be driving it or not, but
It's a little rich. Spoolie boy, spoolie boy.
so guys, that was a much better drive than a couple videos ago. Steering feels absolutely solid. Of course, there are some things I can tighten up and make better, but I don't want to drive it too much more until I hit the dyno. So yeah, I think this is a good spot. This is as solid as the car has been in a long time. I feel pretty comfortable about it. I would like to get it on a lift and just double check things on the bottom of the car, but I mean, she's solid. And again, I got, you know, all kind of parts and stuff over here to make it, you know, look better. It's kind of clapped out right now, but I think it's a good spot to get tuned. I don't even want my big horsepower tuned right now, because I need to do stuff like fuel lines going back to the tank, 525 fuel pump. So I think I'm going to just tune it on 93 gas right now, just to make it drivable. The car's already going to be fast. It's already kind of sketchy, as it, even though it's better. And I don't want 600 horsepower on a car that, you know, needs more work. So a good street tune, you know, 450, 400, whatever, enough to get me going with the car, and we can start from there. So I'm gonna reach out to Carlos Tuning, my tuner, see what else he wants me to do. I know he's probably tired of seeing this car coming in shambles, but hey, it's pretty good right now. So I'm gonna reach out to him and see if there's anything else he wants me to do before we do a dyno tune, and hopefully the next couple of videos will be tuning. I don't know yet. I don't know. But again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button on the CB that's coming together, and we'll keep it moving. All right, peace. I'll see y'all in the next one.